high-voltage tri-services tableau, heavy metal on display and the iconic Sindoor fighter formation.
And now comes the tri-services tableau.
On ground, the tri-services tableau. The theme, victory through joint action. Army, Navy and Air Force as one integrated war machine.
Symbolizing the collective strength, unity and integration of the Indian Army.
The Suryastra and the BrahMos weapon system.
Then came the headliner, BrahMos. The supersonic cruise missile built for speed, precision and deterrence, a system that can be launched from land, sea, air and submarines.
India's air defense architecture, the Akash.
The parade also spotlighted India's air defense shield, Akash and Abra, a protection layer against missiles, drone swarms. The hardware showcase also included the Suryastra Universal Rocket Launcher System, underlining India's growing long-range firepower.
Suryastra.
Heavy armour rolled past Kartavya Path with the T-90 Bhishma and main battle tank Arjun leading the charge.
उसके ठीक पीछे BMP-2 और नाग मिसाइल प्रणाली.
The Nag missile system MK2 was also on display, spotlighting India's next-gen anti-tank strike capability.
On top of the Kartavya Path, you can see the Sindoor formation.
The sky lit up with Air Force firepower. The iconic Sindoor formation, 7 fighter jets in formation, Rafales, Sukhoi 30 MKIs, MiG-29s and a Jaguar.
The Kartavya Path now is Prahar formation comprising one group.
During the Prahar formation, a Dhruv advanced light helicopter was seen carrying the Operation Sindoor flag.
Of the Indian Army and ALH Mark 4 of the Indian Air Force.
A fly past that underlined one message: India's air power means business. This after a Switzerland-based report titled Operation Sindoor. The India-Pakistan air war detailed how the IAF achieved decisive air superiority using long-range strikes with the BrahMos and Scalp EG, forcing Pakistan to seek a ceasefire by 10th of May 2025. The report also says Indian strikes hit Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba hubs and key Pakistani air bases, while Indian air defences intercepted drone swarms and missiles.
Leading this formation is a C-130J aircraft.
29 aircraft in the Grand Fly Past, fighters, transport aircraft and helicopters.
Captain Akshay Kumar.
The headline, Operation Sindoor and India's joint war fighting capability for the world to see.
Nabha Sprisham Deeptam.